In this video, I explain the applications of twin pressure valves, and the twin pressure valve is also called as the N-logic valves. So first I explains the applications of twin pressure valves and its working, and then after I explain the truth table for the twin pressures valves. So here you see this is the diagram for the twin pressure valve circuit. Okay, here you see this pump, motor, pressure relief valves. So oil coming from the pump, it's divided in a two part. One is go to the 3/2 DCV one, and second one is go to the 3/2 DCV. Okay, means it is a two hand operated circuit, means both hands of the operator is required to extend these single acting cylinders. Okay, so output of the 3/2 DCV is connected with this twin pressure valve. This valve is called as the twin pressure valves. Okay, means twin pressure valve have the two inlet. One inlet fields from the number one valve, and the second inlet is from the number two valves, and the only one output, and this output is connected with the single acting cylinders. Okay, here you see it is a spring return type single acting cylinder, means extension is done due to the oil supplied from the twin pressure valves, and the retraction is occurred due to this spring return force. Figure show the application of twin pressure valve. The circuit has two push button operated spring return type normally closed 3/2 direction control valves. Okay, so here you see this is the push button 1, here it is the push button 2, and why it is called as a 3/2 directional control valve? That is a 2 square, that is called 2 positions, and inside the 1 position that is a 3 pot is there, so it is called as a 3/2 directional control valves. And why it is say normally closed? Means normally closed means when this switch is not pressed, that is a no oil is supplied from the P pot to A pots. So here you see this is a normally closed circuit, means oil coming out from the A pot is supplied to the tank, but this pressure pot is closed, it is called as the normally closed condition. So in a both valve you see that the pressure pot P is closed. Okay, and it is the spring return type, that's why here the spring is provided, means for the achieving the first positions we need to press, and then automatically they come to the second positions due to the oil coming from the single acting cylinder during the retraction strokes. In a normal position, the single acting cylinder is in retract positions. Okay, now you see this image is for the retract positions, that the single acting cylinder is retract naturally due to the spring force, and the oil coming out from the cylinder is supplied here in a twin pressure valves, and from the twin pressure valve it is divided in two parts. Some oil is supplied in A pot, some oil is supplied in B pot, and here you see that B pot is connected with T pot and then reservoirs. Same way A pot is connected to the T pot and then the reservoirs. If and only if the push button of both the valves are pressed together, then only the cylinder will extend. Okay, why its name is the AND logic? AND means we need to press the push button of both the valves. Suppose the operator is pressed the only push button of the valve 1, then we are not get any outputs. Okay, that we discuss in a truth tables in the details. For getting some output, or the we need to the extension stroke in a single acting cylinders, then the operator need to press both the switch together, then we achieve the some outputs. Such a circuit are the safety circuit called as the two hand operation circuit, which safeguard the hands of the operator in a case of hydraulic press or a pneumatic press machine. So we already studied in the details about this system in a two hand operation circuit. So it is used to avoid the accidents in a different types of the machines like as the hydraulic press and the pneumatic press. Both the hand of the operators are made to engage in pressing the button, and thereby the chances of his hands coming in between the punch and die is avoided. So punch and die is the one component of the hydraulic press and the pneumatic press. In that very high pressure is used or a high force is used for performing the operations on the workpiece, and suppose the operator hand in between the punch and die, there is a chances of very big accidents. Okay, so avoiding these accidents, we are making the busy to operators to use that both hands to press the switches, so they have no any third hand to put in between the punch and die. So we are avoiding the accident by using this circuit and this type of the twin pressures valve. So this circuit is the AND logic circuit. AND logic means we need to press both. AND means A and B, B and C, we generally using that this and this. Okay, so that's why this circuit name is given AND logic. AND means we need to press A and B valve both together, and the truth tables of the AND logic is here, you see. So in a truth table you see that is a 3 column. For the A valve, this is a B valves, and OP means that is the output. Suppose operator is press only A valve. Here the 1 is used for the pressing the switch, or we getting some output, or we supply some things. Okay, and operator are not pressing the switch B, means here the 0 is written, means there is a no pressing the switch, and they are pressed only switch A. Okay, then output is 0. Why output is 0? We know that operator is need to press the both the switch. Okay, suppose operator is not press the A switch and they are only press the B, then they are not able to get any output. And operator is press both A and B, at that time we are getting some output, and operator are not press both the switch, then we are not getting any output, because here we already mentioned it is a normally closed 3/2 DCV. Okay, so we are not pressing the switch, we are not getting any output, and we are pressing only one switch, we are not getting any output. We need to press both the switch together, then we are able to get the outputs. So how this twin pressure valve is working? So here you see that is a one plot is there. Okay, suppose in a first condition operator is only press this switch A. Okay, so oil is supplied there from this A port to the here, but what happened, this oil is apply some pressure on this plot and the plot is going inside, means here this way is the close. Okay, so oil is not go to the output. Same way operator is only press the B switch. Okay, and the A is normally closed, so means oil is not supplied from this side. So oil is coming from the B port is enter here, and this plot is moving in this side. So this way this is completely straight line, so oil is not go to its outputs. Okay, and when they are pressing both the switch, at that time they are in this position, so oil come here, is passed from this passage and go output. Same way from the B port it is enter this side and then enter in this, and then it is supplied to single acting cylinders. This oil is apply some force on the piston, and piston is extend due to this force. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channel for watching the more video related to the OHP and mechanical engineering. Various link is provided in description, car, and I also request to visit the playlist for watching the more subject.